blowing kind of hard to go fishing. My hat. I don't know. I don't trust your dad anymore to make decisions.
Probably a smart thing.
Okay, we're going fishing. Let's go. We catch a fish. Were you out with them when they caught all the blues?
Not Sunday. I went out Saturday with
Okay,
him.
you caught 26.
26 Saturday.
Wow.
11 mackerel.
11? Oh, he
11
didn't mention that. And he says you smoke them.
Yeah.
Boy, do you think I could take one of your smoked ones back on the
If you're
plane?
going to be here tomorrow, you're going to have it.
Tomorrow morning? Okay, we'll see. That's a button. Yeah, we're heading out to get out and go fishing. The wind is blowing like hell.
30 miles an hour.
It's not 30 knots, but it's down 20. I'm documenting it. I wish I had those out when you're telling your jokes. I could blackmail you.
That's right. To the Keys, my friend. From the East Coast. Went to the Paradise Inn, which is, you're going from Big Pine Key towards Summerlin. It's the first two bridges off the Big Pine, and off to the right there's that restaurant.
I know which one it is.
Yeah.
You go up the stairs?
We haven't been up the stairs, but he had a boat, probably a 35-foot contender with 2 or 3 huge outboards off the back of it, and it was all painted. Is this the video?
Yeah.
And I'm not going to tell you the rest of it.
Okay. I'll turn it off. There's 3 altogether? I never saw him jump like this. There's more coming? Thank you.
Thank you.
That's my tour guide. Gonna be something. The rescue station is right over there. So. Not too bad right here, right at the bridge. Catching some rain. You know, when I was a kid, see that big spit of land that's behind the bridge here. There's a little island out there at that time that filled in, and we used to go water skiing back in that area. We're going to give her a try here. See that? From when I was a kid, that was just the tip there was the only land, and it's all filled in now. It's pretty rough.
We ought to be going out there singing our theme song.
What's this? God help us. Gilligan.
It was
Whoa.
It's not it's true.
Some minnow would be lost. Hey, Greg, you can sing.
I can sing?
Yeah. Oh, I think that was pretty good. You were right on key there. Whoop.
That's what happens when you sit in church for 20 years following the hymnal.
Right.
You've got to practice.
Whoa, this is good.
I'm telling you what, you have to pass. It's up to you. It's your choice.
Yep, it's too rough, man.
Well, then let me do it.
Oh, I didn't know you.
You're going to do it. Pull back on the starboard engine and turn around. Come on, Bob. Quickly. Get away. Keep going. Make a quick turn now.
The birds are working.
Right in the middle of the channel they're working. Slow down. We'll catch a fish on the way in.
Okay, we're going to catch a fish on the way in.
If he'll slow down.
If he'll slow down.
No, they're not working now. Yeah, he's not going to slow down.
Because it's too rough.
It's not too rough. Oh, it's too rough.
You could probably do it off the north end.
I catch nothing because there aren't any fish there.
Well, there's some other 25-pound tuna there.
How many years ago?
100.
That's right.
The tiny ship was tossed. The weather started getting rough. Maybe the captain has some sense. Water ski now. Of course, it's very little water in there. It's all dry land just about.
Sharp left. Sharp left.
When I was a kid, they just built this bridge. Very treacherous water, and we used to dive off the bridge, and the cops would come and chase us.
Where do you want to go? North end?
Yeah, go to the north end.
I want to go out Whitney Beach.
Oh, right. I want to go down to.
I want to go with a fishing.
Why don't we troll here? We're not going that fast.
Well,
You never know, huh? I know. You know, you're not going to be catching any fish today because I'm here. So that me, I'm the opposite pole of the fishing magnet.
that's why we brought sandwiches.
That's why we bought sandwiches. Eat the bait.
Nikon, pretty good camera. Cool
It's,
things.
yeah, it's an old one, but it's good. I know. It's a rod and reel here. Now we got the lines out, but we're not going to catch anything. That's the city pier of Anna Maria. And that's the first mate. I'm the captain boy. You're the deckhand. So far, no fish. 30 foot of water right here. like there's height. Like that height. I don't see it. It's out there now. No fish. That's my cousin Greg. This idiot out here, he's
Watch our fishing line.
we got fishing lines. Line. Yeah, we're
Propeller on the back of the kayak.
okay. We've got a propeller. Well, we're heading home. No fish. So what's new?
You didn't catch fish because you wouldn't go out in that rough water. You need to go out in rough water to catch fish.
We didn't catch fish because you didn't bless the boat.
Alright, that's my
why.
job.
That's your job, is to bless the boat.
Archie Bunker says every man ought to have a wife. There's certain things you can't blame on the government.
All right. Fish are going to start biting really soon, he says. Okay, we're coming in now. The wind is really howling. See if we can pull this in safely. There's a 38-foot boat here. It's hard to do when there's no wind. I think we're going to make it. I got to stop the camera so I can keep us off here. Do I? Think we got it. Well, I guess that's it.
Huh?
Well, yeah, we don't have to clean any fish. That's the good part.
Christ, last week we cleaned until dark, after dark.
Oh, gee, thank God. He keeps telling me about all these fish he catches.
Well, I didn't expect to catch anything today in this wind, bud.
Yeah.
We fish tomorrow.
Okay. Free fish manana.
What are you leaving now, Greg?
That's all over, and there's all she wrote, folks.